اهلا ومرحبا بكل المشاهدين من كل مكان في النون شو. النهارده يا جماعه حلقه جديده هنتكلم عن باتمان، عربيه باتمان يا جماعه. دي كارلوس هو يحكي لنا عنها. Hey Carlos, what's up man? How you doing?
What's up? How's it going?
Good. So what are you showing us today, man?
Today is the 2018. I know it's not the newest one, but it's the 2018 Polaris Slingshot. Here is a 17-inch rim they built. It's actually a three-wheeled. In Pennsylvania, they consider it a motorcycle, but in other places it's an autocycle.
So how many power horse this, man?
This is running around 200 horsepower.
200 horsepower.
From the factory, it comes around 178, I want to say, or 174. But still, it's the power to weight ratio is, it's not really, I mean, it's crazy. The machine is so lightweight with the power from the engine, and not only that, it's belt driven, so this thing spins out whenever you want it to.
Nice.
Yeah, we can go inside.
Awesome. Let's try it, man. Let's try it.
Let's get inside.
He's gonna burn it. We are ready.
lost everything.
So good. We had fun. I had fun. And I know you always have fun with this.
Always.
I had fun, honestly.
Well, I'm glad you got to finally experience
Yeah,
it, though.
that was great, man.
That's the
That
main
was great.
thing.
I loved it.
It's it's a toy for adults.
That's right. That's right. That's right. I agree. I agree. It was nice. It was great. It was super fast. It was like, I don't know, man. It was just a great experience. I loved it. I loved it. Thanks so much, Carlos.
No, thank you.
اتمنى حلقه النهارده تكون عجبتكم. ما تنساش لو الفيديو عجبك تسيب لنا لايك الكبير واشتركوا معانا في القناه واشوفكم الحلقه الجايه. Peace.